Good.
Yeah.
Do you have speakers also?
No, these are just pockets.
These pockets.
Up front.
Okay. Oh, you. Okay. What's the make model of your bike?
2020 Harley Davidson 2020 Street Glide special.
How long you been riding?
20 years.
Hey, is this your what bike? Is it number 8? Wow. So always a Harley rider?
No, I've had a Yamaha, I've had a Honda, and an Indian.
Okay. So now you finally switched to Harley Davidson?
Yeah, it's my first
How's
car.
the reliability on these things?
Excellent.
Excellent?
Taking the service like you're supposed to, yeah. Works
Okay.
fine.
You bought it brand new or used? Used? Okay. Yeah, very nice bike. So do you do mostly long cruises? Is that why you got the Harley?
No, well, yeah, I do mostly do long cruises, but sometimes I do short stuff.
Short stuff. I'm gonna post it here on this channel. If you scan it, you'll be able to get to it.